Hey guys, today I want to share with you my experience of using this amazing PowerDeWise interview set. It's like a regular lapel mic, but with a lot of extra things inside. The best thing here is that you can actually record 2 people at a time because it has 2 mics in the box. So let's check it out. So here we have a soft pouch, which you can use for storage and carrying things around. Inside of it, you can find 2 mics, 2 extension cords, a Y connector, a 4 to 3 pin adapter, and 2 extra wind muffs. The mic resolves the issue of wind and noise. And when you're moving far from the camera, the sound is still perfect. Let's see how that works. So let me walk back from the camera, and you can hear that the sound doesn't change. So this is me recording my voice with the help of PowerDeWise Lapel mic. And this is me recording my voice without lapel mic, just using the mic. Here is my Y connector, and here is my second mic. Let's get those 2 together and see how they work. So now I'm checking the left mic, and here is me checking my right mic. So you can tell both of them work simultaneously. And now you can hear the sound without the label, with just the internal mic of the camera. And now guys, I'm testing the PowerDeWise Lapel mic with my iPhone. And as you can hear, the sound is perfect. This is an easy and inexpensive solution for a perfect quality audio. You can record 2 people at a time, and both of them are going to have the same quality and volume audio. This kit has everything you need, and even a little bit more. I'm absolutely in love. Thank you for watching. Bye.